This is it. Our 1-year anniversary newsletter. I cannot believe we've been doing this for a year. And I really hope that for some of you, you're like, what? Y'all been doing a newsletter for a year? Because yes, we've been doing a newsletter for a year. I am so unbelievably proud of watching our team grow over the 12 months that we've been doing this. Looking up tips, creating video content to help your business grow, giving you ideas for your upcoming videos. This thing is packed full of value. And the only reason that is true is because members of the CC team are pouring themselves into this content. And so I want to thank them publicly on this video, but I also want to thank you because none of this is possible without you guys. Without your ability to trust us, to serve your content, increase your social presence, put you out there for the world to see, none of this would be possible. And so I want to end with this quote from Andrew Carnegie. He says, teamwork is the ability to work together toward a common vision, the ability to direct individual accomplishments toward organizational objectives. It is the fuel that allows common people to attain uncommon results. Thank you for allowing us to come together to serve you. It is an absolute honor. It is one that we do not take for granted. And we hope and wish for many more years of doing this alongside one another, helping your business grow, helping your dreams come true. And I hope that you find value in what we're doing. And maybe, just maybe, some of you didn't even know we did this. So now you know. Go check the spam. You've got months worth of emails sitting in there waiting on you. We love you guys. Have a great week.